Good morning, student. Chapter number 6, Molecular Basic of Inheritance. Most important question for Human Genome Project. In 2 marks, goals of HGP, and 3 marks, saline features of human genome. Clear? And 2 marks, application and future of challenges. Human Genome Project. In the preceding sections, you have learned that it is the sequence of bases in DNA that determines the genetic information of given organism. Human Genome Project means collection of genetic information and stored in lab or computer data. In other words, genetic make of an organism or individualize the DNA sequence. Two individuals different than the DNA sequence should also be different, at least at some places. The accumulation guessed finding of the complete DNA sequence for human genome with the establishment of genetic engineering technology. This is possible to isolate and clone for any piece of DNA and availability of simple and fast techniques determining of DNA sequence. Very ambitious project of sequencing human genome was launched in the year 1990. HGP was a called mega project. Human Genome Project is said to be approximately most important for MCQS 3 multiplied 10 raised to 9 base pair, and if the cost sequencing required $3 base pair. The total estimated cost of the project will approximately 9 billions US dollar. Further, the obtained sequence will be stored in the books. Each page book contain 1000 letters and each book contain 1000 pages. Then 3300 such book would be required to the information stored for DNA sequence for a single human cell. What is bioinformatics? The enormous amount of data expected to be generated also necessitate the use of high-speed computational device for data storage and retrieval analysis. HGP was closely associated with the rapid development of a new area of biology called bioinformatics. Some of the important goals of HGP in 6 steps. First step is identify all approximately 20,000 to 25,000 genes in human DNA. Most important points was first. Second, determine the sequence of the 3 billion chemical base pair in human DNA. Third, store this information for database condition. Fourth, improve tools for data analysis. Fifth, transfer related technologies other sector such as industry. And last, address to ethical, legal and social issue for may arise for this project. Human Genome Project was a 30 years project coordinated by US Department of Energy and National Institute of Health during early for the HGP. The Wellcome Trust to UK became major partner additional contribution first of Japan, second France and third Germany and fourth China and others country. The project was completed in 2003. Knowledge about effects DNA variation among individuals can lead to revolutionary new ways of diagnose and treat somebody prevent thousands of the disorder that affect of human being. Most important question for HGP. HGP is a main role in diagnose treat the some day prevent of thousands of disorders that affect of human being. Beside providing clues, understanding for human biology and learning non-human organism, DNA sequence can lead to understanding of their natural capabilities that can be applied by solving changes in used for agriculture, energy production, environmental remediation. Many non-human model organisms such as bacteria, yeast, Canorhabditis elegans, a free-living non-pathogenic nematode, Drosophila fruit fly plants, rice and herbidos, etc. Methodology means first method involved two major approaches. One approach focus identify the genes that are expressed as a RNA means ESTS. ESTS means express sequence text. The author took the blind approach, simply subsequencing whole set of genome and contain coding and non-coding sequence means codon and anticodon, and later assigning different region sequence with the function or term referred to as sequence annotation. For sequencing the total DNA from a cell as isolated converted to the random fragments means DNA. This is a fragment of DNA. This clone of DNA in suitable host using specialized use for vectors. Two types of vectors involved. First, BAC. BAC means bacterial artificial chromosome, and YAC, yeast artificial chromosome. Short form of BAC and YAC. The fragment bear means is a first DNA transferred to the animal chromosomes. DNA identify and stored this data in computer, this codon and anticodon or nucleotide base pair. The fragments were sequenced using automated DNA sequence. That work is the principal method developed first Frederick Sanger. This sequence arranged based on the overlapping regions present in them. This required generation for overlapping fragment. This overlapping fragment for sequencing. Alignment of this sequence was humanly not possible. Therefore, specialized computer programs were developed. This sequence developed or subsequently annotated and were assigned to each chromosomes for experiment of the representative diagram of Human Genome Project. The sequence of chromosome 1 completed only May 2006. This was the last 24 human chromosomes by 22 autosomes X and Y. MCQS. Another challenging task was adding to the genetic physical map used for Human Genome Project for physical map on the genome. This was generated using information for polymorphism of restriction endonuclease. Restriction endonuclease important roles of cut down for DNA, recognizes site, and some repetitive DNA sequence known as a microsatellite. What is microsatellite? DNA sequence known as a microsatellite. One of the application for polymorphism in repeated DNA sequence and solve be explained need to the DNA fingerprinting. Clear? Means main important roles for goals of HGP. Human Genome Project approximately 3 multiplied 10 to 9 base pair. First discovered project is completed 2003. Contribution of country Japan, France, Germany and China. BAC full form for bacterial artificial chromosome. YAC means yeast artificial chromosomes. In May 2006, this was the first human genome, 24 chromosomes and 22 autosomes X and Y. Thank you, student.